Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing NewJeans Hanni as a Powerpuff Girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the bangs. Let's draw 2 angles down. Then let's bring it over on both sides. Then another skinny V shape up. Then for the left, let's bring it over. And for the right, let's bring it over but slightly shorter. And then for the end of the right line, let's curve it down and bring it back up. And then let's close off the top with a curve across. Now for the bottom left, let's bring it down and curve it back over, forming a large oval shape for the shape of the head. Now let's move inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the left and let's draw a circular curve. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside toward the center, let's draw a large circle. And then let's add another circle inside each of these. And now let's color both of the rings in black. Now inside on the left eye, let's add another curve around. And the same thing in the right eye, but only at the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve down to the right and bring it back up. Then underneath on the left, let's draw a large U-shaped curve underneath. Now inside, let's add another curve on the bottom left for the tongue. And then color the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a butterfly with 2 long curves up and 2 smaller ones underneath. And let's do the same on the right. Now on both sides, let's add another one on top of this one. Then let's add a third one below next to the head. And then one last one on the outside. And that's it for the butterflies. Now let's add the pigtails. Let's start on top of the head underneath the first butterfly and let's draw a curve up. Then let's bring it up behind each of the butterflies. And then curve it down, flicking it out at the end. Then for the end, let's curve it back up to the head. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath. And then a line across the bottom. Next, let's move inside and towards the top, let's draw 2 lines across. And then let's color the stripe in black. Next, let's move to the sides and let's draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it back in. And now let's draw the right arm in the same way. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a line down. And let's do the same thing on the left and on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a line across and then a curve underneath. And now let's color both of the shoes in black. And that's it for Powerpuff Girl Hanni. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!